That bacon smelling good.
Hell yeah! Whoa!
Welcome back, everybody. Gary here. As you can see, I tried to put my tent up as quick as possible because we're in the middle of this big snowstorm, and right now it's actually raining, sleeting, and snowing. It's about 34 degrees right now, so that's why. But the temperature is going to continue to drop, and we should see a lot of snow. So I figured this would be a perfect opportunity to set up the tent and make a camping video in the snowstorm. So let's get into it. Now let's get a fire started. Alright guys, I think I got my fire going. So that's good. I'm just going to keep adding small things to it because everything's pretty wet. But the snow is starting to pick up because the temperature is dropping pretty quick now, so it's not sleeting or raining anymore. It's just straight up snowing, and as you can see, the ground, it's starting to pick up. Alright guys, it's dinner time. It's been about an hour and a half since I last checked in. It's still snowing, but it's real light right now. But it's supposed to snow all the way through the night, so it'll be interesting to see what it looks like when I wake up tomorrow morning out here. But it's around 6 o'clock now, and I'm getting a little hungry, so I'm going to make some deer chili. I got about a pound of grounded deer meat here. Grounded up some beef fat and put it in there. But I'm not going to cook this whole thing. I'm only going to cook about maybe half of this pack. This is about a pound. We're going to add a can of Rotel chili fixins. And not this whole can, but probably half of the can of these kidney beans. Then I have some spices I'm going to add in. And I also brought, let me pull it out real quick. Where's that? I got some hot sauce. So of course we're going to have that with our chili. So let's go ahead and start browning up this meat. Let me just stoke this fire real quick. Alright. Get my knife out. Cut this bad boy open. Let's get about half of it. Now we're just going to brown her up just like you're making regular chili. Nothing to it. She's cooking up nice and good. The pan's nice and hot. I am using the L bracket system like I showed in one of my past videos. If you guys want to go check out that video, it's one of my latest videos. Be easy to find. You see how she's starting to brown up pretty good there. We'll just let her cook for a little bit. Oh yeah, she's cooking. Oh yeah. Now we can go ahead and add our Rotel. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Now you guys can use whatever type of canned tomato you want, but the Rotel's got that little bit of kick to it. I like a spicy chili, so mine's gonna be fairly spicy. I don't know how well you guys can see that. She's looking good. This is actually a good meal right here. Alright, now we go ahead and add our beans. Go ahead and pour in about half the can. That's looking pretty good. It's looking like some nice chili. Stoke this fire up. I'm just going to put that lid on and let that bad boy cook down a little bit, and then we'll add our spices, stir it up, let it get nice and hot. Then she'll be about ready to eat. Alright guys, let's go ahead and check this chili out. I've added the spices and the hot sauce. Oh yeah, she's steaming good. She's been cooking for a little while now. Just going to keep letting her cook down and stir it so often so nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. Look at that, guys. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but trust me, this is going to be delicious. Let's go in for a little bite. Oh, that's so good. Yes. Exactly what I'm looking for. On a nice cold snowy night, this is perfect. Alright, so we're just going to let her cook down some more, and then it should be about ready. Alright, let's try this chili. I don't know how well you guys can see me. I really can't even see what I'm doing here, but it's snowing pretty good out here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there we go. I got some light. I forgot I had light on my head. Dirt. Oh, it's fucking hot. Damn, it's hot. Cheers. Alright, let's go in for this chili now. Oh yeah, some nice deer chili. Venison. Doesn't get any better than that. Nice snowy night. Heard some coyotes out in the distance. Hopefully they're not coming to participate in dinner. You see my tent's about covered. And that's with me brushing it off every so often. There's my door right there, so it needs to be brushed off again, but you can tell it's snowing. It's snowing pretty good. I don't know how well you guys can see it in the camera, but it is dark out here. Let me tell you, it is freaking dark. I should have changed my batteries in my headlamp, but you can see my fire is starting to get there a little bit, but let's see if we can build her up some more. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there's a whole bunch of coyotes around. They're not super close, but they're out there in the distance. think I'm gonna call it a night and get into the tent on that note. Alright guys, well, I made it into the tent for the night, and I'll catch you guys in the morning and we'll see how much snow's out there. Well, made it through the night. Got really cold. I had to bundle up for the night. My hoodie got a little damp, so it was pretty chilly, but I stayed somewhat warm in my sleeping bag. But as you can see, my tent, the walls are starting to cave in from all the weight of the snow. You know, throughout the night I would kick and push on the sides of the walls as best as I could, but I finally fell asleep and this is what I woken up to. So let's get out and get some coffee going on the fire and try to cook some breakfast. Woo! Oh, it's a lot of snow. Alright, finally got my fire going. Took me a little while because it's getting pretty windy out here and it's still snowing. But yeah, I'm boiling up some water real quick for my coffee and then we'll get a cooking. But as you can see, it's still snowing out here. My water's nice and hot. So I'm going to go ahead and use my AeroPress. Make this little cup of coffee here. Let's go ahead and give her hot water. Pour that right on in there. Stir it up. Stir your coffee. And go ahead and plunge it. Just like that. Got yourself a nice cup of hot coffee. But I'm not done yet. I brought some sugar. Pour a little bit of that sugar in there. And I brought some creamer. Some half and half. Pour some of that in there. Give it a stir. I didn't wash my spoon off, so I got some grounds in there. But it's alright. Just scoop them out with your spoon. And there you have it. A nice hot cup of coffee. That's pretty good. Some bacon. Gotta get this fire hotter. Alright guys, finally got my bacon starting to cook. Ah, flames are coming out. That bacon smelling good. Beautiful. Toast up my bread here. Put it in that bacon grease, soak it up. It's a good looking sandwich. Throw those bacon pieces right on there. Just like so. Alright, I can't wait any longer. Put that bad boy on there. She looks pretty good to me. Alright, let's go ahead and try this bad boy out. That beautiful sandwich.
Limousine run, Rolex wearing, kid stealing. Brother, watch this, girls. Woo!
Oh my God. Shit, that's good. That's a delicious sandwich. Deer chili last night. Bacon egg sandwich this morning. Coffee. Man, we got it going on out here. I rate that a 10 out of a 10. I'm gonna pack up and get myself on out of here. But there's one more thing I have to do. But before I do that, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you enjoyed the content overall and want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And that way you're in the loop for the next up and coming videos. So until next time guys, before I head out and pack everything up, like I said, there's one more thing I have to do. Gnarly, dude.
Woo-wee! Hell yeah! Oh! Oh! Fuck! Oh.
Thanks for watching, guys. Oh. Catch you guys next time.